think you know your Bible verses? Let's find out.
Thanks for stopping by. In this session, we will test whether you recognize people by their actions, not just their names. You get 3 clues, and you guess the name. Ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Clue number 1. He built something before the rain. Clue number 2. He followed detailed measurements. Clue number 3. He entered with his household before the flood began. A. Noah. B. Abraham. C. Moses. The answer is A. Noah. Read more in Genesis 6:22. Number 2. Clue number 1. He left homeland without a destination. Clue number 2. He nearly sacrificed his promised son. Clue number 3. He was promised countless descendants. A. Isaac. B. Abraham. Or C. Jacob. The answer is B. Abraham. Read further in Genesis 22:2. Number 3. Clue number 1. He interpreted dreams in confinement. Clue number 2. He changed clothes before appearing before a ruler. Clue number 3. He stored grain ahead of famine. A. Daniel. B. Joseph. Or C. Nehemiah. The answer is B. Joseph. Check it out in Genesis 41:14. Number 4. Clue number 1. He confronted a king after a stolen vineyard. Clue number 2. He declared consequences for injustice. Clue number 3. He challenged the prophets of Baal on a mountain. A. Elisha. B. Elijah. C. Isaiah. The answer is B. Elijah. Read more in 1 Kings 18:36. Number 5. Clue number 1. He asked for a sign involving fleece. Clue number 2. He reduced his army before battle. Clue number 3. He tore down an altar at night. A. Barak. B. Gideon. Or C. Jephthah. The answer is B. Gideon. Read further in Judges 6:27. Number 6. Clue number 1. She approached a king without invitation. Clue number 2. She requested a fast first. Clue number 3. Her action preserved her people. A. Ruth. B. Esther. C. Deborah. The answer is B. Esther. Read further in Esther 4:16. Number 7. Clue number 1. He hid among supplies before being presented publicly. Clue number 2. He was chosen as the first king. Clue number 3. He later spared what he was told to destroy. A. Saul. B. David. Or C. Solomon. The answer is A. Saul. Check it out in 1 Samuel 10:22. Number 8. Clue number 1. He refused the king's food. Clue number 2. He interpreted writing on a wall. Clue number 3. He survived a den of lions. A. Jeremiah. B. Daniel. Or C. Ezekiel. The answer is B. Daniel. Read more in Daniel 6:22. The first half was easier. The second half will require your attention. Try to know the answer and not guess it. Either way, you got this. Now let's keep going. Number 9. Clue number 1. He struck rock when told to speak. Clue number 2. He saw the promised land from a distance. Clue number 3. He did not enter it. A. Aaron. B. Joshua. Or C. Moses. The answer is C. Moses. Read further in Numbers 20:11. Number 10. Clue number 1. She judged Israel beneath a palm tree. Clue number 2, she summoned a military leader. Clue number 3, she delivered a victory song. A. Miriam, B. Deborah, C. Hannah. The answer is B. Deborah. Check it out in Judges 4:5. Number 11. Clue number 1. He rebuilt walls despite opposition. Clue number 2. He inspected damage at night. Clue number 3. He carried tools and weapons together. A. Ezra, B. Zerubbabel, or C. Nehemiah. The answer is C. Nehemiah. Read further in Nehemiah 2:12. Number 12. Clue number 1. He remained loyal during a rebellion. Clue number 2. He advised the king strategically. Clue number 3. His counsel countered betrayal. A. Ahithophel, B. Hushai, or C. Joab. The answer is B. Hushai. Read more in 2 Samuel 15:32. Number 13. Clue number 1. He was swallowed after fleeing a command. Clue number 2. He prayed from inside confinement. Clue number 3. He preached reluctantly. A. Jonah, B. Amos, or C. Hosea. The answer is A. Jonah. Read further in Jonah 1:17. Number 14. Clue number 1. He was taken into exile as a youth. Clue number 2. He saw visions by a river. Clue number 3. He lay on his side for an extended period. A. Ezekiel, B. Isaiah, or C. Jeremiah. The answer is A. Ezekiel. Check it out in Ezekiel 4:4. Number 15. Clue number 1. He warned the king he would die from his illness. Clue number 2. He later gave additional years. Clue number 3. A shadow moved backward. A. Elisha, B. Isaiah, or C. Micah. The answer is B. Isaiah. Check it out in 2 Kings 20 verse 1. Before the score, take a moment. Scripture teaches us not just the victories, the mistakes, the corrections, the consequences. If you remember the details, you know the lessons. Now, let's check the score. Let's see how you performed. 0 to 5, take a moment and go back to the passages. Faith grows by hearing the word again. Keep reading. 6 to 10, you're recognizing the stories. Let them guide how you respond when your turn comes. 11 to 15, strong recall. Guard it. Knowing the accounts means little if it doesn't guide your choices. These stories show that decisions carry consequences. Obedience shapes your outcomes. Remember, stay rooted in the word. Keep learning, keep growing, and most of all, stay within sight of his word. See you in the next quiz.